Hey, I'm freaking tired. Mother truckin' tired. Uh, let's see here. Well, nothing's really happened in the last few days. Well, really a whole lot of nothing. My life's been freaking slow and boring and uneventful. Sorry about that. Well, I'm sorry about that myself. I don't know if you guys are sorry about that. But, 'cause it kind of sucks. But then again, I don't know. Anyway, so I'm gonna talk about E3. E3 is next week. Looking forward to that. I'm gonna be all over that, all over it. Not really, but I'm gonna be looking up on it closely. Like I'm not going to it, but you know what I mean. Internet crap. And there's this guy also, Veet. He's gonna jump skydive 120,000 feet. And he's got coached up by the guy who did it. I don't remember if he did it when he did it, like 60s, 50s, maybe 40s, maybe? I don't know. He did 100,000 feet then, and he's coaching the guy that's going to do even more now. They pretty much do it from a balloon, like a helium balloon, I think it was. It goes really high. He has to wear like an astronaut suit and everything and blah 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 blah. It's pretty ridiculous. And I guess his blood could boil if could possibly boil from jumping that high. Not exactly sure why and all that stuff. It's because of the speed and the altitude and all that stuff. Of course, you probably would know that. Oh, a lot of people would. I don't know, depending. The only thing that I did this weekend is I saw a deer on Friday, dead deer on the side of the road. And what else did I see? Nothing. No, I saw Men in Black 3. That's pretty good. Well, it's a lot better than I thought it would be. It is a pretty good movie. I'd recommend any people to see it if anyone likes Men in Black. I didn't like the second one, so that's why I didn't think of it that it was going to be that good. But this one was surprisingly good. I didn't think the time travel thing would work all that well, but I thought it worked pretty well. So, so there's that. And there's that happened. So, I'm sorry for the blank pauses. I'm really tired. Freaking tired. I freaking quit. I didn't run since last Thursday, and so also the week before that, I didn't run the whole entire week. So, here I am. I'd run today and freaking run 4 miles-ish really hard with a bunch of guys, and then the core afterward. And I don't know, maybe I'll show you guys core sometime. It's freaking ridiculous. And now I'm really tired because I was out of shape. I'm out of shape, and it took me forever to get up and do this and just get up. I felt like going to sleep the rest of the night, but I got myself up somehow. No, don't know how I did it, but yeah. And so, yeah. Other than that, I saw this all weekend, and I'll show you that in another clip, sort of. And I'll leave you off with that. See ya!